Hi, I want to show you something that I've been building over the last months. Have a look. That's called wimg. What's wimg? Is anybody here accountable for finances? Not me. It's not funny actually. I think I'm the person who generally track my finance and what I'm spending on, etc. I do budgeting, etc. I'll usually go off my budget, even though I don't pay for a lot of stuff, but sometimes I go off, don't budget for long term, etc. So this topic I want to take it serious is why I built that app, wimg. Of course, there are other apps such as Finance Guru, which is a great app, anything like that. I've been using Finance Guru for a while. However, the problem with Finance Guru is they block you in the system and don't show you certain data after some time. Past 3 months you can see, but that's all. And they push a certain their products, because Finance Guru is product, is like commercial product, and that's why they need to eventually finance their developers, their programs, their project company, etc. There's nothing wrong with that. However, why would I need to certain third-party app when I want to see my own bank's data and my transactions, etc.? Why can I use my bank's app? Because it doesn't look great. That's all. I cannot do a lot of stuff. So I just thought, I don't want to use CSV data. I just want to do something that's easy, approachable. I can just see that and just genuinely mine. So I can be better control of my finances.
All right, I definitely recommend to check out Farah's website here. You'll have more information. We can test out on the website, but definitely can see there is iOS and Android app. So they're still in testing, but you can definitely check them out. So we're coming to website, we're gonna sample data. Here are sample data, as you can tell. So different pages, views, and you can categorize, etc. But one thing I definitely want to show you is the syncing part. With MCP, with AI agents, you can use it definitely. So we right now synced with 69 transactions, and I will right now show you a cool thing that you can include to your, sorry, my bad, to your MCP cloud desktop. So we're gonna close it, we can open it now, again. Here are cloud desktop. I'm gonna ask them, hi cloud, can you get all uncategorized transactions in wimg? As you can tell, it's already calling different type of different our data, so we can see them, all of them from there. So yeah, that's our current data. What else can you do? What does wimg do? For example, spending, track manage customers, check the admin accounts, special presentation program by using Germany. Yep, that's about it.
I built it in Zig. It's like systems language programming language. It's better C. And I just built it with that because I can use it as a main library of the what's happening being application, and share it with different platforms such as web, Android, iOS, CLI, etc. So it makes it easy to work with that, as well as I got inspired by the terminal application called libgusty. That's one of the reasons I just kind of started just pivoting to that direction. So yeah, what else is interesting gonna be is I just built it over a month using Cloud Code. It was very helpful to build it for iOS and Android app, because I would never do that otherwise, because it's a lot of work to do that, and just push certain areas. So, and your data is stored locally. That's something that's very important. Never leave that until you want, with the syncing key, which is going to be encrypted for sure, and you can share it with different devices. However, you can always use CSV file data file, so it's going to make much easier as well. Depends on you what you're looking for, but it works for me great, and I hope I'm going to get better with finances. That's the goal.